Hello, friends. Welcome to Learn Quick, your fun and easy way to learn English quickly.
Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to practice real-life English conversation. Imagine this. You're at home, and suddenly, water starts falling from the ceiling. What will you say? What will you do? Let's practice that situation today with Mark. Hi, Mark. How are you?
Good morning, Miss Sarah. I'm fine, thank you. A little nervous. I've never had a leaking ceiling before.
Don't worry. You don't need a real leak to practice English. We'll just imagine it. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, let's start. You're at home. You see water dripping from the ceiling. What do you say?
Teacher, the water is coming down?
Almost. But in natural English, we usually say, the ceiling is leaking. Repeat after me. The ceiling is leaking.
The ceiling is leaking.
Perfect. Now, imagine your friend Lisa is with you. You say, Lisa, the ceiling is leaking again.
Lisa, the ceiling is leaking again.
Good. And your friend replies, Oh no, where? Try that.
Oh no, where?
Excellent. You see how short and natural that sounds. In real English, people don't always speak in long sentences. They react quickly. Oh no, really? That's terrible. Let's pause here and learn some useful words. Leak means water is escaping from somewhere. Ceiling is the top inside surface of a room. Pouring means rain or water falling heavily. So when you say, it's pouring, it can mean it's raining very hard or water is coming fast.
So I can say, it's pouring from the ceiling.
Exactly. That's funny, but correct. Now, let's continue the scene. You go upstairs to your neighbor's apartment. You knock on the door. What do you say?
Hello, I think your bathroom is broken.
That's okay, but more natural is, Hi, I'm your downstairs neighbor. I think there's a leak from your apartment.
Hi, I'm your downstairs neighbor. I think there's a leak from your apartment.
Perfect pronunciation. And your neighbor says, Oh no, really? Let me check. You're right. The pipe under the sink broke.
Pipe under the sink means water pipe, right?
Exactly. A pipe carries water, and sink means the place where you wash your hands.
Got it. So if the pipe breaks, the water will come out.
Yes, and your ceiling gets all wet. Now let's practice some useful expressions from this conversation. Repeat after me, and I'll explain the meaning. I'll grab a bucket means I will quickly get a bucket.
I'll grab a bucket.
It's like a waterfall, used when water is falling a lot.
It's like a waterfall.
I will call a plumber. Plumber means a person who fixes water problems.
I'll call a plumber.
I will pay for the damage means I'll give money for what was broken. Excellent. Now you sound like a native speaker. All right. Now let's do a short role play. I'll be your neighbor and you be the person with the leaking ceiling. Are you ready?
Ready?
Start. Oh, hi, can I help you?
Yes. I'm your downstairs neighbor. My ceiling is leaking. I think it's coming from your bathroom.
Oh no, really?
Yes, there's water everywhere. Please check quickly.
You're right. The pipe broke. I'm so sorry. I'll call a plumber right now.
Please do. My sofa is already swimming.
Great expression. That was fun. You used natural tone and emotion. Let's go over some phrases again. You're right means you agree with someone. My sofa is swimming. That's a funny exaggeration. It means there's a lot of water. I will call a plumber. Always future tense because you haven't done it yet.
Teacher, can I say I call a plumber?
Good question. We say I'll call, future, if you're deciding right now. We say I called, past, if you already did it. So I call is not natural in this situation.
Oh, okay, so it's I'll call a plumber.
Exactly. Now let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. Focus on rhythm and stress. I will grab a bucket.
I'll grab a bucket.
It's pouring.
It is pouring.
Perfect. Notice how we stress the important words. Ceiling, leaking, bucket, pouring. That gives your English energy and emotion. Now imagine the plumber comes to fix it. What could you say to him?
Maybe, thank you for coming so fast.
Wonderful. That's polite. You can also say, can you fix it quickly? Or, how long will it take?
I'll try that. Can you fix it quickly? How long will it take?
Excellent pronunciation. All right, Mark. That was a great lesson today. What did we learn?
We learned how to talk about a leaking ceiling, and I learned words like plumber, pipe, leak, pouring, and ceiling. Thank you, Miss Sarah. That was fun and easy to understand.
You're welcome. And to everyone watching, keep practicing these lines until they feel natural. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English-speaking lessons.
See you next time.
Bye for now. And remember, even if your ceiling leaks, keep your English flowing.